Hello viewers, if you have iPad 10th generation and you are using iOS 18.1, there is a good news for you. iPad OS 18.1.1 has arrived. So if you want to know what are the new features that has been included along with this update, you have to watch the video till the end. In this video, I will talk in detail about the things that have changed and also about the things that have remained unchanged. Before this new update, my iPad was running on 18.1. The size of this new update of iPad OS 18.1.1 is 255.9 MB. So finally, I have updated to the latest version of iPad OS 18.1.1. A lot of users actually want to know about the storage scenario. So I will go into the storage and show you. In iPad OS 18.1 the storage was available as you can see here 11.7 GB, and in this new update, after updating to the latest version, actually you can see 12.35 GB is available. And if you go into this data storage, you can see that system data is 6.16 GB, and in the new update it's about 5.24 GB. So actually internal storage space has increased, though it will filled up with the passage of time and it will be about 6 to 7 GB. If you go into the lock screen section or wallpaper section, you can find nothing new. All the wallpapers and also the weather kaleidoscope emojis are available in the previous version. So in terms of lock screen and wallpaper, there are no new changes. However, after iPad OS 18, 6 wallpapers have been added, so you can use those wallpapers or any other wallpaper on your iPad 10th generation. After updating to the latest version, some users are facing screen flicker issue on their iPad. So I checked the display of this iPad 10th generation after iPad OS 18.1.1 and I found no issue with the display. Plus it has very good stereo speakers, so you can enjoy the speakers. This tablet can handle 4K 60 FPS videos with ease. So even after this update, multimedia consumption will be excellent. If you have updated your iPad to the 18.1 update, you will find nothing extra in the notification panel. All the changes have been already made in the last update, so there is nothing new in this update in the notification panel. If you want to know about the battery life, it is not possible for me to say anything about the battery life of this new update, but I can say that this device was charged to 100% at 10:12 AM, and at the time of shooting this video I have already used this device for 44 minutes and you can see that the battery level is 94%. So I think the battery life will be good enough. Plus during my short usage I noticed that the heating issue that I was encountering in the last update is no longer felt. So I think this update will consume less battery compared to the last update. But I can say anything about the battery life after using this iPad OS 18.1.1 for a couple of days. So if you want to know about that video, stay subscribed with this channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video regarding this tablet or any other tablets, and also about the deals of many tablets and smartphones. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.